Green is my favorite color. Many times I found a colorful garden distracting, but I guess you have to do some of these things yourself to love them. Ken wished to have marigold in the garden, mostly for preventing the pests from destroying the herbs and vegetables that we would plant. He came home with 2 sachets of marigold, orange ones and yellow ones. We planted the seeds in 2 rows. We got hundreds of plants. We did not mind. When they were several inches tall, we uprooted some. It was amazing to watch them grow. Unfortunately, the yellow ones did not germinate. We've never been successful with the yellow ones. We were surprised at how many flowers one plant produced. There were so many. It was awesome. This changed my mind about flowers. I loved them. I would go to the garden and admire them every day. And that was the beginning of a beautiful compound and my appreciation of a variety of colors. The first plants had only one color, orange. After bloom, the seeds dispersed. They self-germinated. Another amazing surprise was that the flowers that bloomed from the dispersed seeds were of a new color. Some were red and orange, some were red and yellow, some were yellow and maroon, and others were orange and red. As the marigolds continued to spread and multiply, they produced more colors. This was a mystery and a miracle to us. The most amazing and most beautiful thing about the marigold is the attraction of butterflies, which were a rare sight before we moved away from the city. It is fascinating to watch them feed and pollinate the flowers every day. The flowers did not only attract butterflies, but also other insects. Our garden is full of life. It is beautiful, and most vegetables, herbs, and fruits are protected. I recently realized that most of us have been concentrating so much on planting food only and forgetting the flowers. Without flowers, nature would be very dull.
I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just